Equalist Empire. First thing, a very big sorry that I didn't upload a video last Sunday, but that's because today is a Monday and I'm leaving for London today and I had a lot of stuff to do, so I was really busy. There isn't going to be like daily vlogs when I go to London, but yes, some interesting things, at least interesting enough for me. I hope you find it interesting as well. So I'm going to vlog the interesting parts of my travel right now and then whatever over there. And yes, that's what this video is about, and I really hope I stay punctual with my videos after this.
Hi. And bye. Say bye. Bye. Yeah. And do this.
And I'll be going to the domestic airport, not the international airport. You must be wondering why. That's because my flight is via Ahmedabad. So first Ahmedabad for 7 hours, then Abu Dhabi for an hour, and then London. So yeah, I'm not going by T2 sadly, but I'm going by the domestic. Right now I'm literally like all over the place, like my bag is open, everything is just because I'm a little bit late because I had a fight with the crew at the check-in baggage center because as for the international flight I was allowed 10 kgs extra as a student, but otherwise they were like no, first in the domestic thing it's not there, then there were like 4-5 employees all behind it, and I finally got it, but now I don't know where my second boarding pass is. I'll have to find that, and I'm literally just all over the place. So I reached Ahmedabad and now I have to go from the domestic airport to the international airport, and everyone's telling me this is the way apparently, and there is absolutely no help over here. There's not one watch person, no one, and I really don't know if I'm going the right way. Let's hope for the best. Look at this, absolutely empty, no one here, no one behind over here. I am scared. Okay, so there were 3 rows of escalators. I'm on the 3rd one right now and I'm more scared than ever. Okay, so I took a right from there. It said for T to go here, and I went here and there's just this escalator, and above that it says exit, and I don't even hear any people. Yay, this is success. The reason why I couldn't hear anyone is because this airport is like, it's deserted. There are like 5 people on the entire airport, and I had to show you something. I wanted to show it to you when I was home, but I didn't. So basically this is one of the things my best friend I'll show you. This is one of the things my best friend gave me. So you know, it's something for a symbol of safety kind of a thing, and you know, these whole set of cards which are there, open now, open when so and so, open when so and so. So she gave me a whole stack of those. I have 2 of them with me, the rest are in my bag. So one was an open now, which I opened when she gave it to me, and this was one open when you're at the airport. So at Mumbai airport I didn't have time, so I'm going to open it now and read it. And now I think I might have that emotional kick, that the thing that, oh, it's finally going to happen. I think that's going to hit me right now or probably in the flight, and best of luck to myself for that. There's going to be a lot of tears. I just got done with immigration and security check and everything, and there's just one proper restaurant on the whole of Ahmedabad airport. Like I have a 7 hours layover and the time right now is Wow, I still have like 4 hours left. So now I'm in Abu Dhabi. I'm at Abu Dhabi airport, and actually my 7 hours layover in Ahmedabad should have been over here. I am in love with this airport, and I basically want to buy everything. Hi, so I didn't vlog at all after the airport because I was really busy, and I landed at like 1 and now it's I think 10 in the night, and yes, I just did a lot of basic stuff and everything, and I'll get my room in like 2-ish 3-ish days, so do expect a lot of room tour videos. And basically I think I'll start going to university from the 10th, and I'll be vlogging Cetra St. Martin's. I'm really excited for that. So that's it for this video, and I'm really sorry if it was a little bit boring, but well, the whole journey was exciting for me, so I hope you liked it as well.